Hi, it's Lynette here, and today I have not one but two bags full. I've been to Savers. I've done a massive Savers haul. I had to go to Boots to pick up my prescription, so I just had to run across to Savers. I've never run around the shop so quickly. Steve waits in the car for me, but where he parks, there can be parking attendants. And the last time I went, he said to the guy, he was like, oh, my wife's just away at Boots to pick up her prescription, she'll be 2 minutes. And he was like, oh, fine. And then I came wandering along with like bags and bags full of stuff that I had just picked up from Boots anyway. So I'm just going to go through the bags and show you what I got. Now, primarily there's a lot of cleaning stuff in here, and that's the mixture of going into Brandon's box of stuff and Stephen's box of stuff for their new flats and things. So I'll just go through what I got. So the first one I got was, I tried the bathroom cleaner in this stuff and it's fantastic. So it's Star Drops, which is a good brand, but it's the pink stuff. The Miracle Multi-Purpose Cleaner, straight free, sparkling clean, tough on grease and grime. So I thought that would be quite good for the kitchen as well. Yeah, multi-surface. So there we go. So it does say don't use on waxed, oiled, open pored, painted or varnished wooden surfaces, so I would keep that to the kitchen. But yep, I got the bathroom, the foam and bathroom cleaner, it was fantastic. So I thought I'd pick one of these up. So the next items that I got here, I picked up these old fashioned super bright 8 dishcloths. Now, what I like about these is you can use them and then just either bleach them in the sink or throw them in the washing machine and they come up. You get, you know, they last for quite a while as well. And you can soak them, so, you know, you're not always kind of throwing away the, you know, the J-cloths or whatever, and you can actually get a really good clean with these. I find you can kind of, it really helps get the dirt up and things. The next one I've got though, these are disposables, but they do last a while. So it's the Elbow Grease Power Cloths. And they've got these nodules in them. I don't know if you can see the green nodules, but that makes it really great for scrubbing things off. Yeah, these are good. They're really quite strong as well. They're non-scratch and they do absorb quite a lot. But what I do like about them is they last much longer than a J-cloth, but obviously not as long as these. So I am trying to be more environmentally friendly, but there are times where you need a good, tough, disposable cloth as well. But it can last. The only thing I find with these is, if you don't kind of leave them to kind of like dry out over the tap or whatever overnight, they can go a bit slimy after a few days. So yeah, that's a kind of only downside to those, but yeah, just throw them away. I do have a price list I can refer to if you like. I don't think there's anything here over £3. So yeah, the elbow grease is £1, the pink stuff, the cloths are £1, the pink stuff's £1. Yeah, I think the cloths are all £1. So basically the only things over £1 are the bold gel, which I've got, it's £2.99, and yeah, just a couple other wee bits there. But anyway, I'll go through the list. So I picked this up. It's the Duck by Johnston's, the Active Clean, just to kind of pop in the loo. It smells nice. And yep, sorry, I'm sniffing it, I am a weirdo. You just kind of, they do last for quite a while, and it says 4 times more foam, and you can use it together with your toilet duck. So yep, I do like those. And oh, I picked up this comb, it was only like 89p, so that when I put my conditioner on, I can just brush it through. I do have a wet brush, but it doesn't always get through the tugs. I was looking for this the other day there, still in the bag. Anyway, I'm going to pick the bags up so I don't have to keep bending down. I picked up a couple of right guards. So those are only £1. They're for men, invisible, 72-hour protection, and they've got the stain guard so they don't make your underarms go yellow. I also picked up the Flash Bathroom. Removes 100% of bathroom grime, and it's Febreze freshness, so that was £1 as well. So I'll sort out, I bought the boys various different bits and pieces, so I'll sort it all out. So I picked up the Sure for Men, I picked that up for Steve. It's a really good price, I think it was only like £1.50 or something. And the next 2 items were only £1 each, but Stephen likes them. It's the X HC Expel Hair Care Banana Shampoo and Conditioner. And to be honest with you, probably shouldn't say this, but I think I preferred this to the real Body Shop stuff. It's SLES free, paraben free as well, which is really good, although this isn't SLES free. I don't know if it's got the itchy M's. I don't think it has, but yeah, that's go for Stephen, because I've given Brandon quite a few different shampoo and conditioners. This is for me. It's the Bristol Extra Firm Hold Hairspray. I quite like that hairspray, and it's really cheap as well. The next item I picked up, this was for Antonia, so it's the Inset Dry Shampoo Blossom. Now, I think I'd picked it up before, and I think she was using it when she had forgotten her own, and she said she really loved the smell, so I've picked one up, and it does smell amazing. It does not smell, probably shouldn't be doing this, I'm probably getting high. I keep doing it. It's got a really nice smell, and it does not smell kind of like hairspray-ish or anything. So I'll pop that in the box of things for her as well. I also picked up 2 packs of these non-scratch cleaning pads. It says they're microban. They stay fresher and cleaner for longer. So I picked up 2 packs of those to divvy up between the boys. You can never go wrong with a sponge, can you? I also picked this up for myself. It's a bold 2-in-1 with Lenore Freshness. So it's Spring Awakening Gel, and it works well on cold washes. So what you do with this, if you've never tried it before, you pop the lid off. It's a dosing cup, and you throw the cup in the washing machine, which I find a bit bizarre. Anyway, it rattles around your washing machine. If I'm doing it wrong, please tell me, because yeah, I just shoved the whole thing in the washing machine. But yeah, I'm probably doing it completely wrong, because I've never done it in my life. But I'm sure you put it in the washing machine. I'm sure you leave it in the machine. But sometimes my dexterity isn't that great, and you know, rather than getting it on top of the washing and at the back, I tip it over the front of the washing machine. So yeah, I've been trying the Aldi stuff, which I love, but this was $2.99, and I thought, oh, I'm going to give it a bash. I'm quite new to liquid. I've always used powder, but the soap powder that we would buy would be the massive one that was like 90 washes, and it just took up so much space that I've been converted to these. Now, I picked up these 2 face cloths, one for Stephen, one for Brandon, 100% cotton. I picked up the microfiber ones before, and they hated them. I think I relegated them to kind of dusting. They're good dusters, the microfiber ones. I also picked up, oops, another 2 shampoo and conditioners for Stephen. I picked up a brush, and this is a vent brush, but it's quite good to go through my hair. And listen to me, struggling here. Picked up some Cortado Daily Mouthwash, alcohol free. Alcohol can dry your mouth out. A lot of mouthwashes have alcohol in them, but they can cause dry mouth and bad breath as a result, which isn't very good. So it's got daily fluoride mouthwash for healthy gums and strong teeth. Now, I'm having a bit of jip with my crowns, and I know they can't do anything at the moment, so I thought I'll just get some Cortado. It's really good for your mouth and your gums. I also picked up these. I've got quite big gaps in between my teeth, so floss and stuff just doesn't really cut it. So I buy these Interdental cleaning brushes. I think they're about $2.49, but they're really good. I don't use them every day, but I use them kind of every other day. I do have ones from the dentist that you pop them on the stick. However, those are quite metally, and I've got a mouth full of crowns, so it just makes it feel a bit nasty when it touches. So I prefer these ones. And the last items I've got in here now, I was chatting away to Brian, and we were talking about shampoos. So it was Bryony that told me about the itchy M's that are in shampoos, because I was saying, oh, if I don't wash my hair every day, I've got an itchy scalp. My scalp's always feels really itchy. Not necessarily flaky, but just really itchy. So if I don't wash it, I just end up feeling really itchy. So she said to me, you need to look for these 2 ingredients. They're really long, they both begin with M, and if that can cause itching and irritation of the scalp. So since I've done that, I've actually found that my head is fine. It doesn't feel irritated at all. But one of the things that she recommended was the Schwarzkopf, and it's a super soft kids. Now this is a shampoo and conditioner, so it's really gentle. It is developed for kids, but it was only £1, so I picked up 3, and I thought, you know, if the worst comes to it, I can always give it to Freya, and I'm sure Lachlan won't mind using it either. Pink fairy. Well, she's not a pink fairy, pink bottle and a little fairy. So yeah, I mean, I probably will. I think it's just because it's a gentle cleanse as well that it'll be much better for the scalp. No tangles, no tears. Free from silicones as well, which is fantastic. And it says detangles the hair to make combing easy. Mild and fruity scent. I have to sniff this. Oh, it is fruity, it's lovely. So yeah, I'll let you know how I get on with that in my empties. If it doesn't work for me, then I'll pass it on to my sister for the kids. But I'm hoping that it does work, because it's a heck of a lot cheaper than the shampoo and conditioner I've just gone out and bought. So anyway guys, that is my my haul. It's all laid out in front of me. I hope you enjoy the Savers hauls. I'm never sure whether I'm going to put them up, but I love watching haul videos. I love watching cleaning haul videos, supermarket haul videos, and makeup haul videos. And to be honest with you, what I did this month is I saw the odd offer for the Revolution mystery bag, and I ended up buying more palettes despite saying I'm not going to buy any more palettes. I ended up buying more palettes, and I actually really instantly regretted it. I bought one for a giveaway, which is fine, but the other 3 palettes, they're cute and everything, and I kind of thought, do you know what, the next time I said if I wanted to get the offer, I wanted to see it was in the Revolution bag, I'll just buy the skincare, but that seemed to go a bit out the window. So next time, if I do decide to get it, I'll do a palette for a giveaway, and then I'll get myself skincare. So yeah, I'm actually giving away the box as well, the mystery box. And to be honest with you, I don't really need any more eyeshadows or makeup. So yeah, I want to start using my makeup more, but I think my channel will be more this kind of haul than makeup-y hauls going forward. And I hope that's okay with you guys, because I have literally nowhere to put any more makeup. I'm trying to declutter. I did a declutter before I moved, and I did another declutter, and I've given lots of stuff away. And this whole stuff here from Savers is all stuff that will get used. It's for Stephen, it's for Brandon, it's for the house. My makeup's just for me, you know, and that's not always a bad thing. But yeah, anyway, bear with me, I'm waffling now. But thank you for watching, and I do hope you enjoy my videos and my channel and my content. Yeah, kind of this lockdown and COVID stuff and being in the house all the time kind of does start leaving you feeling a bit, well, anxious. Well, it has for me anyway. So yeah, I just hope everybody's still loving my channel, and I'm trying to, work's been really manic. Obviously I work in a health board, not obviously, because you wouldn't know that, but so COVID is kind of really taking over everything at the moment. So work's really manic, and I'm always tired. So yeah, I do like to come on and kind of do my wee videos, and I'm going to try and catch up all my other friends on YouTube and other channels that I support, as well as trying to catch up on the comments as well, because I do love chatting to people in the comments. I really love the fact that people take the time to come and chat in the comments as well, and just to watch my videos. Yeah, it really means a lot. You know, because like I thought getting to 1,000 was a big deal, and I was really over the moon when I did subscribers, and then I got over the 4,000 hours hurdle, and I managed to get monetized. You don't make much money, to be honest with you, so I mean, I've not had the payout yet. I think if you've got a bigger channel and you get more views, then you'll do better than me. But you know, my views kind of get 300-400. Some of them do better than others. But I'm not in it for the money. You know, there's no way. I'm sorry, but there is no way I'm making back any of the money that I've even spent on this channel. You know, when you add up the boxes, the makeup, I mean, the haul, I would have bought this anyway, so that's not going to be, you know, I'm not counting that, but the stuff that I've bought just for the channel and just to unbox, even when I wasn't enjoying it, you know, I'm never going to make that money back. So I'm not doing it for money, and I don't know how it works with taxes and stuff, and you know, all that kind of thing. So I'm not ungrateful, but it's not my reason for doing the channel. My reason for doing the channel is because it's kind of my hobby. I love chatting to people. Otherwise I would be kind of, you know, I do have friends. I don't want to make it that I don't have any friends. I do see my friends, but during COVID I haven't seen, you know, I haven't seen them. I've had the odd video call, messages and stuff, but I've not been able to sit and chat the way that I feel like I can sit and chat on here with people, if that makes any sense. I am waffling now, but I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm enjoying making them. It's keeping me occupied when I've got a spare 5 minutes and I can come upstairs and film. And now I can put all this away now. Bags and bags everywhere because I've still got to film that. That's me when Steve says, what are you doing with those bags? But anyway guys, thank you for watching. I'm waffling on. If you've stayed to the end, thumbs up, you've done really well. So catch you soon. Bye guys.